Let's move on to our last course of Business Intelligence, course 3, which is decisions, dashboards, and reports. So let's look at module 1, which is Business Intelligence Visualizations. This covers the foundational aspects of designing BI dashboards and how they differ from other types of data analytics dashboards. The module focuses on using dynamic visualizations to address specific business questions, emphasizing the strategic trade-offs involved in visualization design, such as clarity versus complexity. It teaches learners to create low-fidelity mockups as a planning tool to map out the structure and functionality of a dashboard. Additionally, the module explores various dashboarding tools and their capabilities for building interactive and user-friendly visualizations. The goal is to empower stakeholders through interactive dashboards that facilitate data-driven decision-making with a strong emphasis on effective messaging and accurate interpretations of the visualized data. Throughout this module, the quizzes test learners on their understanding of how to use visualizations to answer business questions, the design trade-offs involved in creating effective dashboards, and the importance of interactivity in BI dashboards. They also assess the ability to create mockups and plans for developing dashboards and the use of different dashboarding tools for dynamic data presentation. Let's move on to module 2, which is Visualize Results. This dives into the trade-offs involved in building effective BI visualizations and provides hands-on practice in creating charts and visualizations that address business questions. Learners explore strategies for gathering stakeholder requirements and understanding the obstacles and limitations that dashboards need to overcome. The module emphasizes the importance of organizing dashboard elements for clarity and user experience while discussing scalability and how projects can adopt as data grows. It also covers the balance between high granularity and high detail in visualizations and how to optimize dashboard performance, including factors that impact processing speed and ways to make improvements. Learners learn to set privacy restrictions for different user access levels and translate business needs into well-defined dashboard parameters. Throughout this module, the quizzes assess learners' ability to gather and translate stakeholder requirements into effective dashboard elements, recognize the limitations and challenges of dashboard design, and apply strategies to maintain high processing speed. They also test understanding of the balance between data detail and granularity, as well as techniques for organizing dashboard content and setting appropriate privacy restrictions for data accessibility. Let's move on to our module 3, which is Automate and Monitor. It focuses on building dynamic and effective dashboards that can monitor data over the long term. Learners practice designing charts and organizing them into comprehensive dashboards that meet business objectives and effectively visualize insights. The module places learners in the role of a BI professional, where they engage in client meetings to refine question making and communication skills and use the gathering client information to guide their dashboard projects. It emphasizes applying best practices in design to create dashboards that are not only visually appealing but also highly functional and informative, showcasing the impact of BI research and insights. Throughout this course, the quizzes assess learners' ability to make design decisions that align with stakeholder needs, creating clear and impactful data visualizations, and build dashboards that track data effectively over time. They also evaluate the understanding of design principles for dynamic dashboards and the ability to demonstrate how BI research translates into actionable insights through visualization. Let's move on to our module 4, which is Present Business Intelligence Insights. It focuses on effectively communicating data insights to stakeholders and preparing for the BI interview process. Learners explore best practices for presenting dashboard insights to clients, crafting clear and compelling presentations that facilitate informed business decisions and goal setting. The module also includes strategies for distilling monitored data into actionable insights and communicating their implications and purpose. To support career development, it guides learners through updating their resumes to highlight relevant BI skills and experience, refining portfolios to showcase their work, and practicing interview techniques that demonstrate their expertise to recruiters and hiring managers. Throughout this module, the quizzes assess learners' understanding of communicating data insights effectively, preparing presentations based on dashboard data, and developing clear and persuasive communication skills. They also test knowledge of crafting impactful resumes and portfolios, as well as interview preparation strategies for BI roles. Let's move on to our module 5, which is course 3 and of course project. This module allows learners to apply their BI knowledge by developing a complete dashboard as part of their portfolio project. The project involves referring key BI documents to create a low fidelity mockup, designing charts, and organizing the dashboard layout to present insights effectively. Learners utilize their understanding of BI concepts, data pipelines, and visualization techniques to build a working dashboard in Tableau that is ready for showcase to stakeholders. This project helps reinforce the skills needed to produce end-to-end business intelligence solutions and demonstrate them through a comprehensive portfolio. Throughout this module, the quizzes assess learners' ability to apply BI concepts, create mockups, and design dashboards that align with best practices for data visualization. They also test their understanding of how to integrate dashboard elements and present a cohesive business intelligence case study.